So we're going to give you a bi-directional report demo for both the PDF and the Excel reports. So it's pretty easy to configure. You just click on your files and you go over and navigate up to the job you want to create a report from, and you just click on FlexReports and it sends the results up to the cloud. It's very easy to configure the report. You can name it. You can put your company information in, right? And then you just click Create Report. And there's a nice preview screen. I'm going to click on the cable and I'll look on a cable to find a failure, and I'll navigate through the fiber details to figure out what's going on. And you can see that the failures are due to these macro bends. You'll see the bi-directional OTDR trace. Very easy to navigate around the report. And then you can navigate back to the summary screen to look at something else. Very, very simple. Likewise, for an Excel report, it's exactly the same process. You click on FlexReports. It uploads the data. You come to the same configuration screen. You can enter your project name. You can click on the Excel format this time. You can enter in any job-specific information you want. You start the report generation. You open the Excel report, and here you can see the summary of test results by cable. You can look at the test setups, and this shows you, the OTDR setup, the equipment setup. You can go to look at each fiber results and details. You can hide some of it if you don't want to see it. You can also filter on just the failures, so it's really easy to find the stuff that you're interested in looking for. It makes navigation really, really easy.